Hello guys, welcome back to One Stop Solution. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to delete recent searches on Messenger. Let's get started. Start by opening Messenger on your device. Tap on the search box at the top. Here, all of your recent account searches will show up. Tap on Edit at the top right. Now simply tap on the cross icon at the right side of the account that you want to remove. Or simply tap Clear All at the top right if you want to clear all the searches. Just like so. And that is how to remove recent searches on Messenger. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.